Oil feed for the turbo.
Yes.
That's what this is. So.
You're gonna hear my shoes the whole time.
Yeah. Oil feed is going where the current oil sensor is, which is right here. So I need to unplug the connector. And now I gotta unbolt that, and hopefully I don't break it. Oh, well. It's mad loose.
What the heck? I'm getting all worried.
I was worried. And I actually tightened it the first time. Well, it's pipe thread, so it's tapered. Yeah. Can't even get this on there. You know, the thread's a little.
Oh, see, like that looks really good. Oh, wow.
Okay, we're gonna find out later if that's tight enough when it leaks or doesn't leak. That's the side. Okay.
There you go.
Looks about right. Yeah, should be good. Point towards up a little bit towards the turbo. Sensor going in. Maybe. Trusty adjustable wrench here. Last one. Pipe tape on. More pipe tape.
Brass fitting itself, right?
The actual T, yeah.
Hey.
Oh, is that enough? Do I try to get one whole more turn?
Oh my. Don't do it, man!
Oh, no, that's good. Oh, wait, didn't we say? Oh, well, I need to put the line on there.
On what?
Oh, yeah, and I couldn't have the line on when I just tightened it. So now I gotta put pipe tape on this one and put the line on.
So what was the...
Mustang?
What was the little snaggle there, bud?
Oh, I forgot to put pipe tape on a connection, and then it was impossible to put it on when it was in the car. This is for the actual feed line. And then I realized that I don't even think these connections need pipe tape because there's like a taper. It's basically a taper fitting that goes into a hole, and this is actually free floating, so
I love how I can't see your face right now.
probably don't even need pipe tape on it, but I did it anyway. All right. So now I'm gonna put this in there. I don't actually know exactly where I'm gonna run it yet, but
Doesn't matter.
I'm just gonna throw it up here for now. Well, we probably don't need it. 4 hours later.
Can you hurry up?
You got a date? With those clothes on, probably.
Try.
That can get up. Tighten it so that it's kind of
Whoa. Then I can get the...
There it is. Is that the right spot?
Yeah, there you go. All right, it's on the turbo now.
There we go.